Welcome to Moku. I wanted to take just a minute to explain the 3 stages through which we bring you to try and help you capture, nurture, and sell to your ideal client avatar. What do I mean by capture? Well, this process of capturing and nurturing leads is an ongoing process. There isn't just a one-size-fits-all solution, and it does take a little bit of time. I'm going to take you just a minute through this process that we need to take you through. And it all starts with our JUMPSTART package. Over here, the JUMPSTART package sets the foundation for all the other steps that you need to start building and nurturing your lead flow. Building and nurturing a lead flow means that in the beginning, you have to start collecting leads somehow. Now, there are many ways to collect leads, and we're going to walk you through the process of doing that. But first thing you need to understand is that you can't build a house without a foundation, okay? If we're trying to build a business, we need to start identifying the ways we capture your leads. Your leads are not the same as my leads, more than likely. And so we need to discover where your ideal client lives. They might live in 5, 6, 10, 20 different spots on the World Wide Web. And it's our job to help you identify where they live, how we're going to get a hold of them, and how we're going to bring them into your funnel, as we've talked about in other videos. This is absolutely critical. Once we have jump-started that campaign and set the machine in motion for you to start collecting leads, we are going to take you to phase 2, which is to nurture those leads, okay? We're going to ask you questions like, how are you reaching out to the people in your CRM? Okay? How do we build trust with them? How do we add value to their lives so that they are going to want to pay you for products and services? With the JUMPSTART package, it's plain and simple. You need certain things at the very foundation of your internet experience in order for people to find you and subscribe to any of your services, even if they're free. Without that platform in place, you can't move on to the nurture campaign. So we make sure that that's done before we take you to phase 2. During the nurture phase, what we do is we help you identify places where you can add value to your clients. For example, you might run a 3-day boot camp. You might have a webinar you host online. You might have some type of offering that they want to pay for, a mini course of sorts, where they can subscribe, pay you some money, and in return, you give them value. Generally speaking, the first set of mid-funnel offerings are going to be fairly low cost, somewhere between $100, $250, sometimes up to $1,000, depending on the value of your bottom of funnel offer. But this allows you to transact business with a potential client, offer them a service or information, and in return, they give you their trust. If you've done a good job giving them that mid-funnel offer, they are going to want to move on to a bottom-of-funnel offering. We nurture, we supply you with American-based copywriters who will write the copy to convert these leads that you've captured in the JUMPSTART and nurture them into that mid-funnel offer. US-based copywriters know how to work with US-based people. For Australians, we have Australian-based copywriters. And if you're in the UK, guess what? We have contacts in the UK who do all of our UK-based copywriting because they speak English, but it's just not the same English that we speak in America. So we're going to find you native speakers. We're going to make sure all the copy makes sense, and we're going to convert those leads into a buying, paying customer. Once we've learned that system and we know what's going to convert, we are going to hop over here and scale that business. That's right. Scaling is the third and most important phase. Once you've learned to identify your right type of client and we know what language to use to capture them and nurture them into a sale, we can go right into paid ads. We can build very intense messaging campaigns through email, text message, Facebook Messenger, Google My Business messaging, and all sorts of other communication platforms, all tied into one place. And you don't have to worry about any of the tech. All you got to worry about is what kind of journey do you want for your clients. For us, our journey is to take you from JUMPSTART to nurture, to scale. For you, it's going to be something different. What is your system? What is your process? And where are you trying to take your clients on your journey? That's what we're going to figure out with you. In all of our packages, we have coaching, we have guidance. During the Jumpstart, you get 1 complimentary coaching session. During the Nurture campaign, you get weekly coaching sessions from an experienced professional for the first 4 weeks, as well as monthly follow-up sessions where they make sure that all the things we put in place during that first month are followed up on again and again and again. During the scale phase, we monitor how many times you need them. We'll meet with you up to once a week with our coaches. Make sure that the process is working. Make sure that anything new that you're going to need added to your funnel is put in place, it's working, and it's converting. Because when you're making money, we're making money, and we wholeheartedly demand that we offer service first, get you money making first, and as you start making money, you're going to be more than happy to continue to pay us to support, build, and grow your campaign that we just built together. So, thanks for joining us on this journey. We look forward to meeting with you in the Jumpstart, guiding you through the Nurture campaign, and then scaling the crap out of whatever we just built so that you can start making the millions of dollars you hope for online. Thanks, and we look forward to working with you.